It went off okay though, didn't it?
It did. Went off fab. What is it?
So it's a FW Models ASW-17 4.4 metre. It's fully moulded and it's a scale model, so there's a full size ASW-17 that was made in the 70s, and it's a great plane for both thermaling and for fast work and aerobatics, and I love it.
And the setup, what's the motor and the cells?
So the motor is a Hacker B50. The setup of the batteries is I've got a 4,000 milliamp pack, 6S pack, and also a flight pack in there. Most of the servos are KST X10s, and then yeah, that's all you need really. It's got a very good propeller on it. Seems to go off really well.
Yeah, it didn't need much of a throw.
No. And it will find any little bit of lift that's there, but there's not an awful lot there. But if it could find a thermal, I think I would go quite high. It would be ideal for GPS triangles as well, actually, triangle racing, I think. Put the motor on again, I think.
For those that don't know, Alex, what's the sound you hear? Is that lovely sound when you go on a fast pass through?
I think it's actually made by the hollow wings that are made of carbon fibre, and they don't have anything in them, and it's the resonance that you get. Some people think it's a kind of it's not efficient to have the sound, but in actual fact it's the resonance of the carbon fibre.
Oh, I always thought it was the airflow over the live hinges, the live hinge.
I think you get a little bit, but with models that are filled with foam or wood, you don't get so much noise. So
you don't, for sure.
I'm hoping this might be a little bit of lift here, but we'll see. No, damn. Get about 2 minutes motor run, 2.5 minutes motor run, but then if you get some thermals, that you could even get a long flight out of it. You could maybe get an hour.
Yeah.
Maximum.
A lot of full-size traffic today. I think all I see you flying down here is gliders. What is it that you enjoy about gliders compared to everything else?
They look beautiful for a start. They fly so smoothly, and you can do aerobatics with them, so they're very versatile. But then you can do things like thermal soaring, and you can use the air. So it kind of, I feel like I'm slightly connected with nature when I fly gliders, and each flying site is different. Each day, depending on the weather, is different, and you can get a real sense of satisfaction if you manage to get a good thermal and climb really high, and then you can use that height and do aerobatics and have a lot of fun with it. So I really love flying gliders.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
I'm mostly going down. The noise, the beeping noise that you can hear is coming from this radio, which is so there's a vario in the plane, which is a sensor that tells me if the plane is going up or down, if it's climbing or descending.
Right.
And when the beep gets higher, that means I'm ascending, and then when the beep dips, it means I'm sinking. So it'll give me an indication of where the thermals are and whether there's any sink between the thermals. And so I just have to keep it smooth and try to find the good bits of air.
Yeah. Because you wouldn't know visually.
You have to be able to look as well and look at the plane, and you can see it sometimes climb a little bit or fall a little bit, but it is handy to have the vario, and it also tells me what height we're flying at, so that's handy too.
You never tried this FPV?
I've never tried FPV.
Rather than line of sight, Alex?
I've never tried FPV. It would be very interesting to have a go with.
Oh, well, no, when I get my Fox going, you'll have to have a go with that.
Oh yes, that will be good fun. Yeah, that will be good fun. There's a tiny bit of lift. There's a bit of a ridge here, and it dips away, and you can get a little bit of lift, but it's not exactly climbing. I'm holding my own just about, but.
Beautiful. It really does kill the lift, doesn't it? Those flaps when you put those out.
Yeah. Gosh.
Nice.
Yeah. Gosh. I'm pleased.
Can you hold it from the fuselage down? I want to get a sense of size of the. Oh my God, it is big, isn't it? Brilliant. What was the wingspan?
You can hold it. 4.4 metre. God, I can only just do it.
Fantastic. Thanks, Alex.
Very welcome.